Have you ever worked on a project with no documentation? No, I haven't. I was thinking about at one of the companies that I work for, they actually did have documentation, although it was in a very, very poorly, it was a terrible test case management system, which I ended up having them upgraded. But if you work on a project with no documentation, well, there's only no more documentation until you write the first documentation. And now there's documentation, and now you can continue to write more and more documentation. Um, if there's no documentation, it's on you to write it. You're the QA person or whatever your position is. Write the documentation, and that adds value to you because now you know how to write certain documentation. You know how to do this. You know how to do that. It is super like use everything as an opportunity to get better. Like I can't stress that enough. Use everything that you do as an opportunity to get better. And once you do that, the value that you bring to your organization, to your coworkers, to the customers, you will see it come back to you. It might not be right away, but it will come back to you. All right?
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.